May side hustle ka, mommy? What if big time boss ang umorder sa'yo?
On episode 2 of MVP Undercover, 7-Eleven Philippines award-winning marketing and loyalty manager reviews a mompreneur's side hustle. Alamin ang importance ng magandang brand packaging at kung paano ito nakatutulong pagdating sa sales.
Hello, Madiskarte Moms! This is the show where we share tips and learnings to help improve every mom's racket. So I was just browsing online at nakita ko tong Ensalada at iba pa IG page ni Madiskarte Mom Emma Cruz Rojas. The product and packaging looks interesting. Kaya mommy, humanda ka na, ang side hustle mo ang i-review natin today. Let's go! I like the bakaklot sa taas ng lid. Feel na feel mo yung local vibes. For packaging ideas, pwede kang mag-search sa internet. Pwede mong tignan yung packaging ng ibang brands na related sa product mo. From there, pwede kang magka-idea kung paano ka mag-stand out. Pag may effort yung packaging and design ng products, mas nagiging interesting sila for buyers. Mukhang may inspirasyon, Madiskarte Moms! For me, my son is my inspiration to do great and to continue working on innovations for 7-Eleven. Ever since I helped launch the loyalty program in 2013, we're consistently working to make the customers interested and to remain part of Click. Impressive talaga na napagsasabay mo ang work or side hustle at pagiging nanay. Empowering. Para mag-succeed ka, importante ang packaging and design. This will make you stand out. You also need to listen to your customers kasi makakakuha ka ng mga perspective from them na pwede mo magamit para sa ma-improve yung racket mo. I hope with this video, makatulong ako sa side hustle mo, pati sa mga ibang moms who might be watching. Order time na! Ganda ng page nila, ha? Wow! Look, it's good how your IG page has all the info one might need bago mag-order. Aside sa maganda yung page, naka-highlight yung cut-off and delivery days, order forms, FAQs, and mode of payments na napapabilis via online. Kasi pwede siya via bank transfers and e-wallet. Take note mga Madiskarte Moms, I ordered beforehand dahil may cut-off days sila na Tuesdays and Fridays. Delivery days naman are Wednesdays and Saturdays to ensure the freshness of the products. If you're from Marikina, they also deliver for only 30 pesos. I just kept it in the fridge and now, let's open it. Excited na ba kayo? Ayan. Okay yung packaging, walang leak. Actually, nakatape pa siya dito sa box, so very secured. Oops. Let me get a fork. Let's try it. Sarap mga mommies! Favorite ko tong chili cucumber. I think maganda tong alternative sa side dishes when you have Korean barbecue at home. May perfect balance of vinegar and sugar na babagay sa samgyupsal. Kakilig! Yung papaya atsara, hindi masyado na-capture yung lasa unlike sa usual atsara na nabibili everywhere else. Maybe because of the cut? Naku, matindi ang labanan for a buyer's attention on store shelves. So, maybe one improvement you can do kapag mag-venture ka into retail or stores is to improve yung sticker label kasi medyo natatakpan niya yung atsara. Yan ang number 1 rule sa packaging and design. Maybe you can also put the label on the lid para madali i-match yung lid sa jar. Tandaan mga Madiskarte Moms, kapag i-display siya, no need for fancy words or descriptions. Let the product speak for itself. Also, yung papaya atsara, maybe you can improve on the cutting para mas makuha niya yung lasa ng vinegar and sugar. Also, I was thinking if kailangan ng expiration date. Pero dahil ensalada to, it gets better with time. Something to consider lang. At the end of the day, diskarte mo pa rin yan, Mami Emma. But overall, I'm impressed with the product. A 350-gram jar for 150 pesos is a good value for money. I think may potential siya to become a hit. Go, 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 Ensalada at iba pa! Para rin mas makaengganyo ka ng customers, baka pwede kang gumawa ng rewards program tulad ng ginawa namin sa Click na on the third purchase, may free atsara of their choice sila. Sana i-consider mo itong mga tips ko. Sorry. Sana i-consider mo tong tips ko, Madiskarte Mom. Paano ma-improve ang packaging at design ng ensalada at iba pa? 1. Highlight guidelines for buyers online. 2. Explore label placement on lid. 3. Add product information on jar. And sa mga viewers natin, if may suggestion kayo or gusto idagdag na tips, comment down below. Sana nakatulong ako sa iyo at sa lahat ng Madiskarte Moms out there para mas mag-boom ang inyong side hustle. Ayon nga sa favorite quote ko, fall 7 times, stand up 8. Whether sa career, side hustle, or personal life, get up and try again. Right attitude lang yan. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and share these to your Madiskarte friends. Again, I'm Deena Santos of 7-Eleven, ang inyong MVP Undercover for this episode. See you around!
Actually, ang saya-saya ko kasi syempre first time ko ng business. Tapos na-recognize agad ng boss ng 7-Eleven. So, very thankful naman ako. Na-overwhelm ako na hindi ko naman siya kakilala, hindi ko siya kaibigan. Napansin niya yung lasa ng produkto ko. Salamat naman, Miss Deena, sa pag-review mo ng produkto namin.
Nagustuhan niyo ba ang episode na to, mommies? For more videos to help on your side hustle, click here.